Welcome to the C language training videos. This is the continuation of Printf function. In C language, we have so many data types. In the previous video, we take the one integer data type, and that integer data type by taking the one variable. This variable is the integer type. It means it holds the only integer values like 200, 399, like that values. Now I want to take the one float value. It means the in this thing int val equals to 200.55. Now my val variable contains the 200.55. Now I want to display this value to the output screen. So that purpose I am saving my C file, and I am going for the build and run option F9. Now, but my integer value is 200. Here I saved that float value is percentile d, val 2 is percentile d. Now but the value is integer type, so that purpose it holds the only integer value, not a float value. So if you want to save the float values, the data type is float, FLOAT float, and format specifier for that float is percentile F. Now here instead of int I am taking my data type is float, and here so float val equals to 200.55. Now press the F9. So float value is it prints the garbage value. It prints the garbage value. Now for that val I am changing the format specifier also, percentile F. Now save the document and press the F9. Now it is showing that 200.550003. It is showing the some garbage value also, but the value is now printed exactly what is the float value is. Okay. Now like this way, if you want to save the float value, use the float. If you want to save the integer value, use the int data type. Like that way we have so many data types are there: char, float, int, double, like that. Now I want to save the one character. I want to save the one character to the variable. It means I am taking the sex is my data type. Sorry, my variable name. Okay. Now on that variable name I am saving the male or female M. Here you are saving the character. So that purpose always use the single quotes or double quotes. Okay. Here first of all observe the output of this program. Float sex equals to M. Now observe the output. Press the F9. So here val, instead of val I am writing the SCX. Sex is my variable name. It is showing some error in the 6th line. So that purpose I am using instead of float I am using the char. Now save the document F9. So sex equals to M. It means now I am putting the M in the single quotes. Now observe the output of this program. Okay. Float value is 00. It prints the again garbage value. Why? Because the characters format specifier is here I am putting the percentile f, but the character format specifier is percentile c. Percentile c. Now observe the output. So the value is m. Okay. Now I want to save the some group of characters. It means I want to save the I want to take the one variable and save that save one string into the group of characters into that variable. Now at the time the char is not used. Okay, char is not used at the time. Char. Here I am saving the male, male. Okay, so you are using the multiple characters, so use the double quotes. Char sex equals to male. Now observe the output. Float value is, it is showing the sex value is it is showing the dollar. Why? Because here instead of C use the percentile S. Okay, use the percentile S. This is the string variable. Yes. Now observe the output. F9. Okay, so this sex variable containing the 4 characters. So use the, this is the array. Okay, use the, this contains the 4. So I am putting the square brackets 4. Now observe the output. So the document, the male. Okay, val2 is 300. So here I am taking the one string variable, okay, sex of 4, but I am saving the female. Okay, female contains the 6 characters. So finally it is showing only 4 characters only. Okay. So I am changing this one into the 6. Female. Like that way we are using the data types. So here we can observe the char data type. If you want to save the some group of characters, use the array. The data type is char, but in the variable, after the variable declaration, we are declaring the how many characters is long. In the float also, and we observe the float also. We are not observe the double. So what is the use of double now? Double actually in the program we observe that if you are mentioned the char only, we are mentioned the char along with the we are not mentioned anything at the time. Char holds the only one value, only one value. If you are mentioned like this, it holds the group of like that. Integer data type holds the some values. It means it stores only negative 32 32,000 to positive 32,000 only. Okay, it stores the only 2 bytes of information. Okay, now we want to save the if you want to save the some big value to the your variable, at the time use the double data type. Okay, so here I am saving the 30,000. Okay, into val2 equals to this value I am saving to the val2 variable. Now observe the output of this program. So val2 returns the some garbage values. Now instead of writing the int data type, I am using the double data type. For that double, the data type is percentile LF. Percentile LF. So now observe this one. Okay, like this way we are using the data types. Using the data types or using the variables, we are saving that variable value to the output screen. In the next video I will explain the more about the printf function.